Disastrous beauty. Disastrous beauty. It's disastrous beauty. It's the way for me. It's disastrous beauty. Change up your look daily. Disastrous. It's disastrous beauty. It's the way for me. It's disastrous beauty, baby. It's disastrous beauty. Change up.
You said you want a bad one. Well, baby, I'm as bad as they come. Said you want a hot one. Yeah, you with the hottest under the sun. But be careful what you wish for. Make you eat your words. If I'm more than what you bargain for. Fun to flirt, but promise to deliver. Much is required. Cause look at what I'm giving you. You ain't really ready for real. You ain't even ready for real. You ain't really ready. Won't be faithful to someone ungrateful. I can't try to make you if you ain't you. You ain't really ready for real. You ain't even ready for real. You said you want a real one. Well, it don't get no realer than the realest one. Baby, can you handle me? If you really want it, better come get you some. But be careful what you wish for. Make you eat your word. If I'm more than what you bargained for. One dessert, but you ain't finished dinner. Much is required. Cause look at what I'm giving you. You ain't really ready for real. You ain't even ready for real. You ain't really ready. Won't be faithful to someone ungrateful. I can't try to make you if you ain't you. You ain't really ready for real. No, you'll never miss a good thing until it's gone. Oh, baby, you know.
Alright y'all, so I'm obviously finished styling this wig and this is what I got. If you're interested in the details, the specs, and all those good things about this unit, then please continue to watch. Okay y'all, so the unit that I am rocking was sent to me by Yolissa Hair. Shout out to you, Yolissa, for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. I truly do appreciate it. So the wig that I am rocking is their Yolissa Wear and Go Body Wave 5x5 lace closure wig. I do have it in 24 inches. So I'm gonna go ahead and click on the site and get more details and specs for you. Alright, so this unit is called Wear and Go Wigs Body Wave Glueless 5x5 or 5x9 closure wig with pre-cut lace. This unit does come in a 5x5 closure. It also comes in a 5x9 9-inch width. So the width would be like 9 inches and the length will be 5. The lengths that are available is 10, 12, and 14 bob and 16 through 30 inches. The brand name is obviously Yolissa Hair. The product is 5x5 closure wigs, wear and go. It is a body wave texture. It is a 22.5 average cap for most people. It's 180% density. It's transparent lace and it takes about 3 to 7 working days to ship. So those are all the details and specs that I have on this particular unit. Now, honestly, y'all, they said that they were sending me a 5x5, but this wig goes from here to here. So I'm thinking that they actually sent me a 5x9. Now, I do want to go ahead and mention, y'all, I messed around and put a hole in the lace. Accidentally, of course. But you can't really see it. I literally put it like right in here. I had it like secured with the T needles on my wig head so I could straighten the front of the wig. But child, one of my T pins ended up getting caught in the lace, and when I took it out, it put a hole in the lace. but child, you can't see it, girl. Okay, you cannot see it, so it's not a big deal, but it is a big deal in case you guys could see it and would think that it was the unit. I can't personally see it, but I also don't know how things are going to come off on camera sometimes, so I just want to go ahead and point that out. Now, this is the body wave unit. With my body wave wigs, I don't typically like have any issues with them whatsoever as far as tangling and stuff, and with this wig it is no exception. This wig came pre-curled. It is a body wave wig, but obviously those curls that you guys saw initially will not be the same once I wash this wig. I expect it to go back to its natural wavy state. Now, I did not bleach this wig whatsoever. It did come sort of pre-bleached. It was like not a whole lot, like it wasn't like bleached, but it did come sort of pre-bleached, so I didn't feel no need to bleach it anymore. And I wanted to also give you guys that beginner friendly feel, so I didn't want to bleach it. Obviously the lace also came pre-cut and the hairline came pre-tweezed, so this is like literally the ultimate beginner friendly wig. As far as shedding and tangling, honey, I did not experience any of the tings. I do want to mention that in my opinion, this unit is extremely big head friendly, and it has no combs. Like, so I am struggling over here. So if I'm gonna keep it honest with you guys, I'm gonna apply some adhesive to this wig after I do this video. Like right now, I am wearing it completely glueless for the video purposes, but I do not feel secure. Maybe if you have a bigger size head, then you can wear it, you know, without any adhesive, without anything. But because this to me is more big head friendly than not, and I am an average cap size, I do not feel secure. I keep kind of tugging at the wig. So I just want to throw that out there. To me, it is definitely more average to big head friendly, and definitely more big head friendly than not. So just kind of bear that in mind. And yeah, that is pretty much it as far as the details and specs go. If you're interested in my pros and cons as well as a full 360 and a lint check, then please continue to watch. So I'm gonna go ahead and keep it a whole buck. We're gonna start with the cons because you guys know I like to end on a high note. My con with this wig is gonna be that it has no combs, and it is extremely big head friendly. And I don't feel very secure with this wig on my head. So that's gonna be my con. My con is gonna be that. And oh girl needs some combs, honey. Oh girl needs some combs. So that is gonna be my con with this wig. My pros are gonna be everything else. I love the texture of this wig. I love the style of this wig. Even though it came as a middle part and I did do my own C part, I love the overall style of this wig. I also love that it's basically the ultimate beginner friendly wig as far as it goes. Like, with, you don't have to cut any lace, you don't necessarily have to bleach it, and it basically came pre-style. It's the ultimate beginner friendly wig, so I love that as well. So those are my pros. So despite the fact that this wig did not come with any combs, I would still definitely recommend it. I would just recommend you adhere the unit. Unless you have a really big head. If you have a big head, then I don't necessarily feel like you have to adhere it. But if you have a more small to average size head, you will have to adhere it. But other than that, this unit is definitely a unit that I would recommend. It's cute, it's beginner friendly, and it's a look, honey. It's a good date night wig. I don't think you can go wrong with this wig whatsoever. All right, y'all, so I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys this full 360 so I can wrap this thing all the way up. So this is obviously the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back. And keep in mind, I am 5'4". And this is the unit on the right side. So yeah, y'all, I would definitely recommend this wig, despite the fact that I am a little uncomfortable with wearing it glueless. Like, I keep pulling it. It's just, it doesn't offer me a lot of security, but I would still definitely recommend this wig. Girl, just get your glue ready, okay? Get your glue or get your spray ready, because you'll definitely need it. Other than that, I would definitely recommend it. And if you guys are interested in purchasing this wig, I will have a direct link to it down below in the description box for your convenience. And once again, shout out to you, Yolissa, for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. And yeah, girl, that's all. That's all. So, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions, don't you feel like I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. And if you're not already subscribed, girl, click that subscribe button. It's not costing not one red cent. And if you're not already following me on all my social media platforms, I am Disastrous Beauty on both IG and TikTok. I'm Health Miss C on Snapchat, and I'm Disastrous B on Twitter. And I will see you love bugs next time. Bye.
Got every style.